know these dogs bark like crazy during the spring, and I hate it. Even if they do like it.
If you live in the South like me, you're having to deal with the cicada apocalypse and all the sounds that come with it. But we shouldn't be surprised. It is spring. Let me explain a little bit more.
Little birdies may be cute, but they sure are loud when they're hungry. You know it's spring when you hear all the crickets at night. Just get off my face. How come you never hear the bees until it's too late?
We shouldn't be surprised by all the sounds of nature in the spring, because spring is when everything comes to life. And that is a no-brainer.